What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my pizza channel. It's the Pizza Guy John, and today we have an interesting video. I'm going to be doing a review of the Prefect Crust Pizza Liner / giveaway. This is for my 3,000 subscribers. Since I hit that, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video to learn how you can win a box of 50 of the Prefect Crust Pizza Liner. This is not a sponsored video or affiliated with Prefect Crust Pizza Liner. I did reach out to them, asked if I could do a review on it, and then also if they could send me an extra box to do a giveaway, and they agreed. So I do have an extra box here of 50 for 12-inch pizzas that's not open that I will be giving away. Again, this video is also not sponsored or associated with YouTube as well. So it's again my own giveaway that I will be doing. So let's just jump right into it. Like I said, it's a Prefect Pizza Crust Liner. If you don't know what this is, basically it's a liner that goes inside your pizza box, and a bunch of benefits with that. It just helps to ensure that the crust of your pizza stays, and crispy. It also helps absorb the grease and allows moisture to escape. So as you can see in this liner, there's some of these ridges. So again, this acting just basically like a cooling rack, but again, it just makes sure that it keeps the grease and moisture away, so that it makes sure that your crust stays crispier. Also, again, it comes in different sizes. So like I said, this is for a 12-inch pizza that goes all the way up to, I believe, 20 inches. The lowest I think is going to be 7. Let's see what else. Better visual presentation for a pizza. Again, it also eliminates the cardboard taste. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm making 2 pizzas. I'm going to be making 2 pizzas and tasting to see, does it really take away the cardboard taste, or are you going to get a taste of this or cardboard? So we're definitely going to take a look at that. Let's see. The liners are recyclable and compostable and biodegradable. So that is awesome to hear that this company does really put effort into that, and they're also made in the US. I'll also put a bunch of the other descriptions down below about this pizza liner, but like I said, it's round and it fits perfect in a 12-inch pizza box that I have here. So as you can see, it basically fits in like that. Your pizza goes on top, and while your people take their pizzas home, you can ensure that they're going to be getting some crispy pizza when they get home, and the pizza still going to be hot. This is perfect for pizza pickups. So if you have a food truck, you have a business, again, you could reach out to the company at theperfectcrust.com, and they also send out free samples. So if you're interested in checking this out, I'll also put the link down below. So on the website, it also does claim that it helps keep the pizza 12 to 15 degrees warmer upon delivery. So like I said, the first test that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making 2 cheese pizzas, and I'm going to be putting them both in. I have actually 2 bigger boxes. These are 14-inch boxes, which is totally fine. I didn't have any extra 12, but I got 2 boxes here. They haven't been used. So what we're going to be testing to see is, is there going to be grease at the bottom of, these pizza boxes? And if, again, the crust does stay and the pizza does stay hotter, longer. So just for the purposes of the video, I will be using my Ooni Koda 16. Being that I can't make 2 pizzas at the same time in there, I will make the first pizza and put it on top of the liner. And while that's, sitting on there, I'll make the other pizza. And like I said, we're going to take a look to see, is the pizza staying warmer a little bit longer while the other pizza is being made. We'll do a taste comparison to see if there's any taste differences, from that. And now we'll just do an overall review and take a look at it. So I won't show the videos of making the pizzas just to save time in the video, and that way it's not a long video. I'll make both pizzas separately, and I'll show a couple little clips of that happening. So the oven's been preheating now for about 30 minutes. Like I said, it's the Ooni Koda 16. We'll make 2 pizzas. We got my dough here, which again is just going to be poolish, 50% poolish, that's 70% hydration. So the top 2 up here are 270 grams. Those are going to be the 2 pizzas, 2 doughs that we're going to be using for the pizza. So we'll come back here shortly. Here's the first pizza about to go in. The first pizza is now in the oven and cooking. All right, so here's the first pizza. We're gonna go ahead and put it straight onto the pizza liner. It's sit now, as you can see, fits perfectly on the liner, almost a 12-inch pizza. So basically what we'll let it do is we'll let it sit on it. I'm gonna close up the box. I'm gonna get the other pizza made, and then we'll come back here shortly and we'll take a look at a review. All right, here is the second pizza, and we're gonna go ahead and get this into the oven. All right, now the second pizza is now in the oven. We'll let that cook and we'll get it onto the box. All right, so here's the second pizza cooked. Let's go ahead and get this inside onto the other box, and then we'll go ahead and get the review going. So let's put that up here. And here is the other box. So we'll go ahead and just put that right there. And straight in the box. So let's go ahead and get that closed up. Now that we have this one here, I'm gonna go ahead and get the other box, and then we'll go ahead and take a look at a couple things with this pizza. All right, so right away, a couple things that I'm noticing. We got both pizzas made now. As you can see, one has the pizza liner here, and this is the other one that does not have the liner. Right away, one thing that I've really noticed right out of the box is just the visual presentation that you get whenever you put one of these liners in. It just makes it, you know, pop out. It makes it look different compared to just throwing it in the box like this, which is totally fine. You know, restaurants do that. But again, if you have a pizza liner, it looks nice. It kind of has like these little handles, so usually to pick up. But again, whenever you go get your pizza, of course, it's already going to be cut. For this purpose, we're not going to cut it. We're just going to kind of take a look at the pizza in a whole. So this pizza that's been sitting in this liner has probably been in here maybe 5-6 minutes. And as we can see, it doesn't have, let's take a look at the bottom to see, there's no grease or anything like that. It looks like it holds it pretty well. I'm touching it, I'm feeling it. I feel that I still feel some heat. Like I said, it's been about 5-6 minutes. The bottom, as you can hear, still crispy, which is really, really nice. So it's still, the pizza is still warm. This pizza has just been taken out of the oven and placed onto the box. First thing that I'm gonna notice, let's see, it's still a little warm. So that, of course is gonna be, normal because again, I just took it out. But we'll give it a couple of seconds, maybe a couple minutes to see if this pizza is still hot than this. We're also going to take a look to see if there's going to be any grease on the bottom of this box, and to see if the bottom does stay crispy. So I'm going to go ahead and close these boxes up, and then we'll go ahead and we'll take a look again at a couple more visual things. And then we'll also then get a taste test and see, is there really a taste difference? All right, so it's been about 12 to 13 minutes now. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a look to see, is this pizza still warm and crispy? And to see also, again, if there's a taste difference. So we're going to take a test to see if we could taste any of this or if we could taste any of the cardboard. So I'm picking up this one now, and I can still feel it. It still feels warm. Let's take a listen to the bottom. And so that is still crispy, which is nice. Now let's go and take a look at this one again. This one has the pizza liner, and this one does not have a pizza liner. Straight out of the oven onto the box. And let's see. There's a slight crispiness to it still, but as far as temperature, it's going to be a little bit colder. I don't feel any heat from this one. So again, this one was probably pulled out of the oven maybe 4 or 5 minutes ago, and this has been sitting out on a box liner going on about 12-13 minutes. So again, it's a little bit cold to the touch. It's not warm anymore, so that's the one big difference. There's still a little slight crisp to it, which is totally cool. But let's go ahead and take a bite and see, is this going to get any taste from the liner, or if I'm going to have any box flavor. So let's go ahead and let's get this cut. And I'm just going to do a couple slices here. All right. And as you can see, the only issue is that my cheese is, you know, cold, but that's totally fine. So let's go ahead and let's get this cut. A little bit more crunch to this on the crust. So now the moment of truth, is there going to be a taste difference? So let's go ahead and let's get this one. Okay. So I'm not tasting anything different from this. I don't taste any paper or anything like that. I definitely don't get any box flavor, and you definitely would know if you taste box. So let's go ahead and take a look, and let's get this one here. And let's see. Let's try to take a bite of that crust. So it's kind of hard to tell. There may be a slight cardboard taste, but it's not super noticeable. So it's not, you know, bad thing. So again, you know, this liner is good. You know, you can choose to use one. If not, like I said, you know, there is some pros to it. Really, I don't see anything bad about it. Really, I don't see that, you know, there's any cons to it. You know, it seems like it does what it's, you know, made out to be. Keeps the pizza warm, crispy. Like I said, it also pops out at you as well whenever you know, open it up compared from this. So again, it is up to you. But like I said, if you like this video, like it, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, you know, are you know, for the pizza liner or not for the pizza liner? Are you old school and don't want to use a liner? Totally up to you. But comment down below and let me know what you think. Like I said, there's going to be a giveaway for a box of 50 for 12-inch of these pizza lines. Again, it's not sponsored by the company or YouTube, so take a look at the end screen for more details or the official rules on how you could win one yourself. I'll also post official rules down below. But again, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk soon.